The current trading range for Chiliz is approximately between 0.0774 and 0.0801, with a previous day close of around 0.0780. This indicates a perceived increase of 0.0019 or 2.44%. The exchange rate between United States dollars and Chiliz is of significant importance. Looking ahead, the Chiliz value is expected to reach a maximum of 0.082 and a minimum of 0.072 on Monday, July 24, which is a substantial range. On Tuesday, July 25, the price of Chiliz was observed to be 0.077, with a peak of 0.082 and a low of 0.072. This range of values indicates a significant fluctuation in the price of Chiliz. Similarly, on Wednesday, July 26, the price of Chiliz was recorded to be 0.077, with a maximum of 0.082 and a minimum of 0.072. These figures suggest that the price of Chiliz remained relatively stable, with an average value of 0.0799 per coin, which can be considered substantial. On Thursday, August 3, the price of the Chiliz gauge reached a value of 0.077, which can be considered as the upper limit. The Chiliz cost forecast for Friday, July 28, was 0.082, which was leased at 0.072. The cost then reached a peak of 0.081 and a low of 0.071 in a subtle manner over the course of the week. On Monday, July 31, the forecasted cost was 0.077, with a maximum of 0.082 and a minimum of 0.072, as generally perceived. Similarly, on Tuesday, August 1, the Chiliz cost forecast was 0.075, with a maximum of 0.080 and a minimum of 0.070, in a subtle manner. The forecast for Wednesday, August 2, was 0.076, with a maximum of 0.081 and a minimum of 0.071, as generally believed. Lastly, the Chiliz cost forecast for Thursday, August 3, was 0.073, with a maximum of 0.078 and a minimum of 0.068, which holds significant importance. The Chiliz hypothesis saw a price fluctuation on Friday, August 4, ranging from 0.080 to a peak of 0.086, with a notable low of 0.074 observed during a span of around 14 days. The Chiliz cost projection on Monday, August 7, ranged from 0.073, which represents the lowest value, to 0.085, which represents the highest value. This range of values is considered to be of significant importance. On Tuesday, August 8, the price of Chiliz was recorded at 0.080, which may be considered as the highest value. The value of 0.086 is significantly larger than 0.074, indicating a substantial difference between the two. On Wednesday, August 9, the anticipated cost of Chiliz was seen to be 0.080. It is noteworthy that, upon further consideration, the highest recorded value was 0.086, while the lowest recorded value was 0.074. This range of values is of significant importance and warrants close analysis. On Thursday, August 10, the Chiliz gauge was priced at approximately 0.079, with the highest observed value being 0.085 and the lowest being 0.073. These figures were generally perceived as accurate by the majority. On Friday, August 11, the forecasted cost of Chiliz was 0.079, which represents the highest value observed. The value of 0.085 is considered to be the smallest among the values, with 0.073 being significantly important. This observation is particularly crucial in the context of 3-week Chiliz gauge, specifically on Monday, August 14. Additionally, the highest value recorded during this period is 0.081. The Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, ranged from a minimum of 0.075 to a maximum of 0.083, with an average of 0.078. In a conservative way, the lowest observed value was 0.073. On Wednesday, August 16, the estimated cost of Chiliz was seen to range between 0.076 and 0.081, with a minimum value of 0.071. These figures contradict the prevailing consensus. The projected price of Chiliz on Thursday, August 17, ranged between 0.070 and 0.080, with the highest estimate being 0.080 and the lowest estimate being 0.070. This price projection holds particular significance in the analysis. On Friday, August 18, the Chiliz gauge was observed to be priced at 0.077, with a maximum value of 0.082 and a minimum value of 0.072. Approximately 1 month later, on Monday, August 21, the Chiliz cost forecast was estimated to be 0.07, with a maximum value of 0.080 and a minimum value of 0.070, which represents a significant increase. On Tuesday, August 22, the Chiliz estimate was priced at 0.079. With a maximum value of 0.085 and a minimum value of 0.073, displaying subtle fluctuations. How much will Bitcoin cost? The price of Bitcoin is being looked at right now, with the $29,500 level seen as a key point of resistance and the psychological barrier of $30,000 having a lot of weight. Traders should be careful around $30,000. Where the 50-period exponential moving average could act as a resistance level if the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, indicators show neutral signs. Price changes are expected to stay between $29,550 and $28,850. A break above $29,500 could lead to goals around $30,200 or $30,900. On the other hand, a bearish fall below $28,800 could lead to a drop to about $28,000. In this update, we'll talk about the thoughts of well-known people like Mike Novogratz of Galaxy Digital and important milestones reached by the coin market, like the Ordinals Pass, passing the 20 million mark. Also, we'll talk about how the SEC's recent request to Coinbase, which has gotten a lot of press in the crypto community, will affect things. Mike Novogratz praises BlackRock CEO Larry Fink's effect on Bitcoin in 2023.